So, welcome to another episode on our weekly chat analysis. I'm a regular host, also to episode 20. So, today, 10th of July 2020, we'll be looking into our weekly analysis. We'll be looking what the week has for us and how to navigate the week from Monday to Saturday. Then on Sunday or Monday we do our weekly analysis. So one of the major lessons I learned last week is your analysis will definitely play out. Are you patient enough to allow it to really play out? Are you really patient enough to see it play out, to see your edge play out? Because one of the major problems of every trader, including I, we don't really have this patience for our analysis to really play out. Like, we are so much excited to trade, and it's not just about trading, it's about your hedge playing out. It's not just about just placing a sell or placing a buy. No, it's just beyond that. It's beyond that. You want your edge to play out. You want to see some certain pattern before you enter the market. You don't just want to enter the market just for entry's sake. So these are the key points. And one of the things we're looking into this week is how can we be very, very profitable? How can we maximize? How can our win beat our risk? And how can we maximize every trade? Which one are we looking into this week? And what are the probability? What are the winning edge we are looking into? And one of the key factor also we should consider this week is sticking to some of these things that we say that okay, like this on Crash 500, we say that okay, it is strong bullish. Then we can maximize position for we to really make profit. So without taking much of your time, let's dive into this weekly analysis. And let's see what the market has for us. So for Crash 500, we've seen that it has been on a very strong bullish trend. It has been on a very strong bullish trend since 2 weeks back. That has been very, very, very bullish. So we can see that it's trying to breach this previous bearish block. Let's come to weekly time frame. On our weekly time frame, we see that the market is coming up to this zone, which we have this rejection candle. So we measure from here. This is our last buy to our last sell. So let's mark this final buy stop and sell stop area. So we're expecting market to drop on this region. So this week we want to buy to that region, just to that region. This week we want to buy to that region. This week we want to buy to that region. This week to this region. We want to buy to this region this week. So once market reach here, we want to sit back and re-strategize and analyze. So we're expecting market reaction in this zone. Expecting market reaction in that zone. Expecting market reaction in this one. So let's see how it goes. So for Crash 500, we want to see market buy. We want to see market buy to 4,800 region. want to see market buy to 4,800 region. Why we can take short buy? We can take short buy by measuring our retracement to get our impulse. This is a retracement from here to the last sell. This is the last buy. So let's see how market reacts here. So once market drop around this area, we have our retracement. Then from there we have, once another block is formed, then we can continue a buy also. So throughout this week, once we reach this 4.8 region, we just want to close any buy on crash 500. Then let's come to crash 1000. Come to weekly time frame. So we've seen the very ranging. The market has not really shown if it wants to drop or it wants to continue to buy. Although our previous week we've established that we want market to reach this region, in which it hasn't reached actually. So let's come to our daily time frame. So on our daily time frame, we can't really say this is an engulfing candle, so it can still be a continuation sell or continuation buy. But let's come to our 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, we see the market is buying up. So the best thing we can do is, since this engulfing candle has been formed, then we can measure from this last buy to this last sell. Then we can come to last buy to this last sell. So this is just a short entry which can just be for today. Then we measure. So we can see that this 30 minutes order block has been formed. Then 30 minute order block has been formed, so we can take a buy on crash 1000. We can take a buy on crash 1000. We can take a buy on crash 1000, then our TP area will be this place. Our TP region will be this place. So this buy, it's just a short buy. It's a short buy. The short buy. So when do we want to take a long buy is when we see daily order block formed. That is this kind of feeling engulfing this, then we want to buy up. But for now, our entry can just be from 4 hours time frame. Then we measure this. We still measure this last sale. We use and measure it to get our buy, region. So, and another thing we can do is, one, we mark that region. We mark this region, then we can mark this region also. So we mark this region, second TP, then third TP, this region. So let's see how market plays out. So those are the area of interest we are looking into. This first take profit area, then this second take profit area, then from that top to this down, so that any reaction you are seeing, you just want to know what's happening there. And just mark this 2K area for now. So in your 30-minute time frame, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So let's see how market plays out. Let's see how market plays out. So you have one take profit, second take profit, and third take profit for crash 500, 1,000. So it's how it plays as you follow the trend. Actually, follow the trend. Anyhow it plays out, you are in the game. Anyhow it plays out, you are in the game. So all what you want to see is order block, buy, order block, buy, order block, buy to this first region, to this second region, then to this last region, if possible. Then don't let us forget this. The market is forming something like this. I think we already have a breakout in structure. We have a breakout in structure, then a read, something like a retest. So on this 30 minutes time frame, we have a market has been a channel, then we have its breakout here, it entered back. Then that is this 30, that's on retracement, it entered back. Then now we have a breakout again, continuation buy. So let's see how market really plays out. So let's see how market plays out on crash 1,000. Then let's come to boom 1,000. So boom 1,000 has been ranging actually, but me, I'm suspecting a buy up actually, but that's still been ranging. So for now, let's just leave boom 1,000 for out of our watch list. Let's leave boom 1,000 out of our watch list for this week, since it has not gotten itself. Let's check crash 300. Let's check crash 300. So let's come to our weekly time frame. So we see that there is a break in structure. The market is trying to buy back into this. So coming to our daily time frame, if not really, this was the last bullish buy. Then this hasn't really engulfed this bullish candle. So it's better to come to 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, we see an impulsive move. This is an engulfing candle, impulsive move. So what do? We bring our fee measure from the last buy, the last sell, the last sell. Then let's measure this area. So our first take profits will be on this retracement level. Our first take profit will be on this retracement level. Which market average and past, and you see. And to come to think of it, if you check that region, you will see that if you check this region, you will see market reaction on it, which simply shows that market really respected it. Then our second take profit region will be this sell stop and buy stop area. Then our third take profit region will be buy stop and sell stop area. So for this week we'll be looking into those three regions. Then coming to lower time frame, 30 minutes, you see reaction here. Then you see reaction here, you measure your last buy to your last sell. Then you see market reaction. Then you know that this is the main place you want to see a big drop down. You want to see a big drop down because you just want to see a reaction here. So this is where market is heading to. So now you can place the buy, you place your stop loss below here. Then your TP on this level. That's for crash 300. So for crash 300, we'll be looking into these three areas for take profit. This 2732, this 2839, this 2918. Those three are key areas for our take profit region. So let's look into boom. Okay, let's go into boom 300 now. Talk about crash. So boom 300, it has been on a buy trend. It has been on a buy trend, which is more of spike. So for now, it's not on our watch list. It does not show any indicator for selling. So let's just leave it out of the way on our week. So it's out. So let's come to boom 500. So from boom 500 is reacting on this region we marked last week. So let's see how it goes. Let's see. So once we are waiting for this week, what we are waiting for is a bearish engulfing candle. So once our bearish engulfing candle form, we can take a sell. Once our bearish engulfing form, we can take a sell. So we are waiting for daily engulfing candle, which will be another block. Then we can take a sell down to this region. So this is our last sell. This is our last sell to this last buy. So once our engulfing candle form, we are expecting market to sell down to this region. We are expecting market in this region. Expecting market in this region. Expect market in this region. So our engulfing candle form, we want to sell down to this place for boom 500 this week. So takes 900 up. So this has been ranging, has just been ranging, no direct move like that. So for now, since there's no clear trend, we take it out of the way. And thanks 900 down. That's been buying. We love this buy. That's formed a daily buy. Wow, which will be a sweet buy. That's formed a daily order block. So what do we do? So that's formed a nice daily. That's formed a nice daily order block. So let's measure. This is our last sell, our last buy to our last sell. Then I want to measure this. These are our first area of take profits, which market have reacted on it already. So on lower time frame, we'll be waiting for another block for a continuation buy. Then our second area of take profit is this place. So those are the two key regions we are looking into this week. Those are the two key regions we are looking into this week. These two key regions, that's what we are looking into this week. So let's come to lower time frame. So we see market reacted there. So what are we waiting for? We are waiting for an engulfing candle. We are waiting for a bullish engulfing candle. So once the bullish engulfing candle forms, then we can continue our buy to this region, So we can continue our buy to this region. So let's see how the market plays out. So let's come to volatility 75. Volatility 75 has been selling down. That's been showing a nice sell down. So let's draw our support and resistance area for this. So I think we are expecting a buy up on this region. Since market has repeated respecting that zone, I have not seen an impulsive move for market to be ready to break this region. Not see an impulsive move for market to break this region. So what do? Let's come to lower time frame. Wow, an engulfing candle has been formed. 4 hours engulfing candle has been formed. So what do? We come here, we measure. This is the last buy. To the lowest our last sell. Our last sell is this. Then we mark this region. Market has already passed this region. So we mark here. That's our area of take profit. This is our area of take profits. Then let's see how market react in that zone for now. So for this week, we'll be looking into this region for take profit, only take profit 1. So we'll wait for our bullish order block to form before we continue our buy. Actually, before we continue our buy. So we have take profit 1, take profit 2. Let's see how it goes. So that's all for this week. So for this week, we are looking into crash 500 for a continuation buy. We are looking into crash 1000 for a continuation buy. We are looking into crash 300 for a continuation buy. From 1000, we are expecting an order block, daily order block to form for a continuation sell. Then next 900, we are looking into 30 minutes order block for a continuation buy. Then on volatility 75, we are waiting for a buy. So let's see how market plays out for this week. Let's see how we. The major reason for all this is just so that we have, before we get into the trade, we already have our marked zone where we don't want to touch, where we want to. We already have our marked zone where we don't want to touch and where we want to touch, where we want to sell to or buy to, where we want to take profit, what we are looking for, and a lot of things like that. What we are looking for and what we want to see actually. Now this DEX 900 down has formed this. So we are looking into a buy up into this region, so you can place your buy. That's it here. Just stop loss. So you have a risk reward ratio of 1:2, not that bad. So here we are waiting for an incoming candle to form actually. So here we are expecting a buy up, a pull up. So let's see how it plays out, let's see how it goes. Right, for crash 300, for crash 500, we're expecting this to drop, then we continue our buy. As simple as that. I wish all of us the very best in this week, a profitable trade, more win and more success. See you at the other side of the trade. Make sure you are good, make sure you eat well, make sure you sleep well. One thing as a trader is you have to take your mental health very serious, like very serious. You have to, your mental health, your state of health should be paramount to you actually. You shouldn't play or joke with it. So you should, as a trader, you should be able to do exercise, you should do workout, you should stroll, take a deep breath. All this really matters, all this really helps you at the end of the day. It's build you up, it makes you fit, mentally and physically fit for the day, so that you don't get stressed or drained. So have a great week. See you at the other side of the trade next week. Take care.